Field surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including construction and urban planning. These professionals are responsible for collecting accurate data and measurements of a particular area, which is then used for analysis and decision-making. In Gurgaon Sector 29, field surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid infrastructure development and urbanization in the area. Companies like SCON Design have recognized the importance of having experienced and skilled field surveyors to ensure the success of their projects. Gurgaon Sector 29 is witnessing significant growth in terms of commercial and residential properties. With the increasing number of construction projects, the need for field surveyors has also multiplied. These professionals are equipped with the knowledge and tools to conduct detailed surveys of the land, including topography, boundaries, and existing structures. They use advanced technology like DGP sound laser scanning to ensure precise measurements and accurate data collection. SCON Design, a leading architecture and design firm in Gurgaon, understands the importance of hiring qualified field surveyors for their projects in Sector 29. They recognize that accurate survey data is crucial for effective planning and design. By employing skilled surveyors, SCON Design ensures that their projects are based on reliable information, which ultimately leads to better project outcomes. Field surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29 are not only responsible for collecting data but also for analyzing and interpreting it. They collaborate with architects, engineers, and other professionals to ensure that the design and construction processes are aligned with the survey findings. This collaboration helps in optimizing resources, minimizing errors, and reducing project costs. The role of field surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29 extends beyond just data collection. Many sectors, like building and urban planning, depend heavily on field surveyors. These experts are in charge of gathering precise information and measurements about a certain area, which is then used for analysis and decision-making. Field surveyors are in high demand in Gurgaon Sector 29 because of the area's quick infrastructural growth and urbanization. To ensure the success of their projects, businesses like SCON Design have realized how important it is to have knowledgeable and trained field surveyors. Sector 29 in Gurgaon is experiencing rapid growth in both business and residential real estate. The demand for field surveyors has grown along with the number of construction projects. These experts have the skills and resources necessary to carry out thorough assessments of the property, taking into account terrain, boundaries, and existing structures. To ensure precise measurements and accurate data collecting, they make use of cutting-edge technology, such as DGP sound laser scanning. For their projects in Sector 29, SCON Design, a renowned architecture and design firm in Gurgaon, knows how important it is to work with competent field surveyors. They understand that precise survey